An estimated 316,000 cubic feet of water per second has passed through Louisiana's Bonnet Carre Spillway, 66,000 more than its normal capacity, flushing debris and wild animals into Lake Pontchartrain. On May 17th, the crest of Morganza Spillway stabilized at 45 feet, less than the previously expected 47.5 feet, but possibly enough to displace the 300 black bears living in the basin. 11 refineries around Baton Rouge and New Orleans account for 13% of U.S. fuel output. After the spillways were open, prices on crude oil and gasoline dropped to a 2-month low as flood risks near the refineries lessened.